Just keep going. Go! I don't want to get killed today!
He's honking like crazy at me. Do you not hear him?
You're driving like shit.
Bro, why is he getting off the car?
It's your girl Isa, and right now I'm currently at Walgreens. It's 10 p.m. and Patricia's already asleep at my house. She thinks we're gonna wake up early to go vlog, but I'm actually gonna go prank her because of the prank that she pulled on me.
Isa today. Me and Sebastian are in on it. We're basically gonna start arguing, and I'm gonna say that Sebastian's cheating on Isa to see how Isa reacts.
Sparkly, they have neon, they have white, but to be honest, I feel like white isn't gonna catch anyone's attention. I kind of like the sparkly one, but nah, I think I'm gonna go with neon, to be honest. Yeah, this is perfect choice. Hey guys, I just woke up. Patty's upstairs getting ready right now because she thinks we're ready to vlog, and I'm actually gonna try to prank her. So Patty hates when people talk about her driving, so I'm gonna write on the poster board to honk, and I'm gonna put it in the back of her car. I'm gonna tape it, and every time a car honks at her, we're gonna try getting on her about her driving to see her reaction. I think this is gonna be funny, and this is gonna be payback for what she did to me with the last prank.
Check his phone. Let me see.
If y'all wanna see this go down, then keep watching. All right guys, I just finished the poster. Are you guys ready to see it? Ready? 3, 2, 1. LOL. So it says honk, it's a prank. Subscribe YouTube Patricia Isabelle. It's in big letters so people can see it. So let's see how this goes. Just taping it. This is the outcome of it. Guys, I have to tape this here because then she's gonna end up knowing that I have something in the back of the window. So I don't want her to notice. So I'm gonna try covering it up.
Yeah, but what if she asks why this is here?
We literally bought Krispy Kreme and some posters. And since there's like no space to put it, we're just gonna leave this here. She ain't gonna notice. We good. She ain't gonna notice. All right, so I'm gonna go in the car. I texted her to come out just right now. So let's see if she comes. Right now, she's coming right now. She doesn't even know. You're vlogging? Mm-hmm.
Hey y'all. We're about to go to the mall. We're super excited. Let's get it.
Just pass them, pass them.
Isn't this the car who freaking honked at us?
I don't even know.
Excited to go to the mall. I feel like we have some good questions. I feel like the question I'm gonna ask today is the ethnicity one, but I don't think I could see. I don't think I could drive to the mall with all that shit back there.
We'll just take it out after the mall. Just leave it there. All right, Patty, when the light turns green, just go. Don't be waiting for so long. Don't be looking at your phone. Just go.
I wasn't even looking at my phone.
Okay, but sometimes you be doing that.
Why are all these cars like you don't see that man? He's like staring over here.
Let him stare. Like, people don't look in the car. They're probably honking for some reason. Because the driving sucks. Driving sucks.
So I think I make a U-turn here. And then go. I could have kept going this way.
2 hours later.
Why do people keep beeping at you?
Bro! Oh, why is he getting off the car? What is going on?
What the fuck? Why are they doing that? Maybe because you need to go.
What you mean do I need to go?
The fucking light was green for like 3-4 seconds.
Yeah, 3
Supposed to
seconds.
step on the gas. You're like,
What you mean step on the gas? I am stepping on the gas. I don't think they were honking at me. I think they were honking at somebody else.
Probably.
There's a blue car behind me honking. What is this man? He's honking at me.
What the Why are they all honking at you?
What's so funny? That's not funny.
That is funny.
It's not funny.
Yes, it is funny. You're driving like shit.
They have their windows down. What are y'all honking for? Why are you honking at me?
Because Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep
What
going.
you mean?
Go! I don't want to get killed today.
He's honking like crazy at me. Do you not hear him? Sheriff in town. There's a sheriff in town. The sheriff needs to take all these people who are being rude. This light takes really long. Oh.
What was that? Bro, you're driving so slow.
There's a sheriff right there.
Okay, stop. Pause. Pause.
Right
Okay,
there.
stop. Pause. Pause.
Wait.
You're doing so bad,
You're
Patty.
scaring me.
Scaring.
Stop. There's a sheriff back there.
There was a sheriff, and the
Is there
light
something
literally
on my freaking
became
car?
yellow.
Is there something on my car? So there's like a sheriff back there. Is there something on my car? So there's a freaking sheriff back there. I'm not about to get freaking pulled over. I don't know why people are honking at me. Like, they know I don't like when people honk at me.
Know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
You're fine, Patty.
Can I turn on a red light?
Yes, you can. You just don't know how to drive. Drive faster.
I am driving faster. If I drive too fast, you say something. If I drive too slow, you say something.
You went below speed limit.
I'm not going below speed limit. I'm going at speed limit.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
I don't think, maybe they're not honking at me.
Is there any other cars?
They just don't make sense.
Probably not.
They don't make
Just keep going straight.
Why are they honking at me?
I have no idea.
Ew.
No idea.
Why do people...
Ew.
Why are they staying over here?
Everyone's looking at you. I
They
don't
act
know.
like they, like, never seen two girls in a car before? You still vlogging this mess?
Why? Are we going to the mall? We're supposed to vlog today. You have to keep up with your YouTube channel.
I am keeping up. I'll just crop this part out. I'll just crop this part out. I just...
I need to pee. I didn't hear anything. You're just going crazy. ASAP, no Rocky. I throw it as I can see you. Go catch it.
I ain't, what is it?
I ain't playing.
What?
I don't know the fucking lyrics.
Real. I ain't athletic on the ticket.
On the gymnastics? Who says that?
On the dick, I do gymnastics.
Mulatto.
And this is what I'm talking about. You're on your phone, not even paying attention to the light.
It's red.
When it turns green, I want to see if you're gonna pay attention.
I do. I always do. You always got something. You've been saying a lot about my driving.
Even he said it too. Look, the light's green.
I'm going. People can't wait. It literally just turned green. What is going on? Like, these people is making me upset. No, you're not throwing nothing back.
Oh my god.
Somebody.
No! No!
What's the problem?
Oh my god. Why do people keep honking?
Oh my. What? What's the problem? What's the problem? He said, what is this? We could play that shit too. Oh my gosh, everyone is stressing me out. He said, we're not going to the mall today.
I need to go pee.
Is this Labor Day treatment?
This is what God's trying to tell you.
No, I'm going home, Lisa. I'm going.
You have to be in the right because you're driving sucks.
I'm not driving bad.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. You can't even drive though, so shut up.
I'd be scared to go in the car with you. Scared to go in the car with you. I feel like I'm gonna die.
I feel scared to go in the car with you.
Drive.
I have seen you drive.
When?
Your parents told me how you drive. They say you don't even drive
really?
that good. That's why you don't have a car.
Really?
That's why they don't get you a car. Yes,
Really?
really. Have you ever heard me lie? No, right? So shut up.
Okay, guys, so we're finally home. As you can tell, Patty's like pissed.
What? You're
My
scared?
brother.
Bro, I was driving all day. I was driving today and there was so many cars honking at me and that's why we came back.
Did you not see the sign on the back of your car?
What sign?
You don't see the sign on the back of your car?
What sign?
Look.
Y'all left a whole bunch of stuff blocking everything from the back. What sign?
I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. Alright, guys, so you can see Patty's pissed.
Bro, are you freaking serious, Issa? This shows. This is my car. This is why.
Oh, that's tough.
What do you mean? Why am I ruining it? Artwork. Yes. This is the reason everybody was flicking me off and yelling at me.
Who's flipping you off?
There was some. What is in your hand? What is in your hand? Yes, some car was flicking me off. They flicked me off and they were like, screw you, I do not drive bad. It was obviously a prank. I drive good. I knew I drive good. I knew you were capping.
Alright, guys, I got her good, Team Issa.
What? Team Issa?
Yeah, Team Issa, not Team Patricia. Patricia's kind of
Lame. I know you're not talking. I know you're not talking, miss. I'ma cry because I think my voice. Let me stop.
I'm gonna cry because you just told that.